Hey guys, today I'm back with another interesting topic, REST and spread operator in JavaScript. So many of us know it will be denoted by both REST and spread will be denoted by three dots, but we will be confusing what is a REST operator and what is a spread operator and how it is being used. So in this video, we'll see a little bit theory and some practical examples. So don't skip the video, please see till the end. So first we'll discuss about the REST. REST. So as REST denoted with three dots, what is a REST operator? So as name states REST, it will have all the rest of the elements in the form of array. So what rest of the elements? For example, when you are calling a function, you will be passing the arguments. So let's say you don't know how many arguments you are going to get in that function. So let's say 1, 2, 3 is 3 arguments. But if it is 5, it is 5 arguments. But if you are not sure about the arguments, how many you are getting for that function, you can define how many are how many are you are getting, just define one a comma b. That means your 1 and 2 will be assigned to a comma b. That means for sure you will get 2 arguments. But after that, if you are not really sure how many arguments you are getting, so just define a rest with 3 dots c. So that means after second parameter passing to this function will be assigned to the c rest variable, and it will be a form of array. So this will be denoted with 3 dots, and it will be a last argument of the function. That means it will be used in a function which is last argument, or it's in a expression left side of the expression. That is also a last expression of the parameter. So that means if you are defining dot 3 here, it will throw it should be rest operator should be a last parameter. So the same way it will be throw an error here. So come, let's see some examples about the rest, and we can discuss about the spread. Okay. I'm using JS Fiddle directly to show the examples. A comma B comma dot. See, I'm just printing it in console log A comma B and console log C is C. Okay. So now I'm just calling this function add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's run this. So now you can see A is having value 1, B is having 2, and C is having 3, 4, 5. So if you see this, this will be an array. So how can we do this with expression? See, const x comma s give dot y. So here 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you print this, here x I'm giving x, y, y. Okay, let's clear this console. Run. If you see x is 4, but y is 5, 6, 7. And if you want to give directly to a rest only, you can skip this. So here it will be, I'm just commenting this. And here y, it will have all the 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So if you see all 4, 5, 6, 7 will be here. So let's say I'm removing this b here, giving some other variable here. That means I already told this will give an error. So to show that, I'm just giving this example. So when I run this, you can see a syntax error. Rest parameter must be a formal last parameter. So that means it should be always defined here. Okay. And we'll see one interesting example on this rest, and we'll go to the rest, spread operator. Okay. So I am passing add dot t here. If many of you know, if you don't know how many parameters you are getting and you want to do all the sum of uh, parameters you are passing it, this is the best example. So you can get all the things into your variable. Okay. So here we can use return C because an array C dot reduce. Reduce is a JavaScript array method, so that we can use how many we can like it will go iterate to each and every item and it will be giving a output with the accumulator. Okay, so I'm using accumulator and my current item is I. So I'm doing here sum accumulator plus I comma 0. Means I'm defining my accumulator with 0. That means initially it has a value of 0 and next time when I is iterating each time, this will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one after the other. Okay. So now I'll print this. Sum is sum. Okay. If you see 15. So if I add one more, it will be 21. And this will be used in one more ring function also like this. So here you have to use recursive function for that. So now we'll go to the spread operator. Okay. So it's just opposite to the rest. So rest will accumulate like everything will be collecting into an array. But spread means it will be spread an array or an object like each and individual literables. For example, if you have an array like 246 and if you are giving spread dot 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 even, it will be like 2 is a separate, 4 is a separate, 6 is a separate. So each and every values will be spreads like each and individual element. And this is just opposite. This will be used in the right side of the expression. Select dot odd, 3 dots even. This means each and every item will be taken as individually and it will be merged to the numbers. So this will not impact your original arrays, even or odd. So that means it will not impact your original odd variables. Okay. And it will be always the right side of the expression. So it can be array or object, I'm saying. So spread can be useful for the both array and object. So let's see the examples. So I'm giving even 2, 4, 6, common odd 1, 3, 5. When I want to merge these count numbers, I can give in any format. Based on the format, it will just form. If you are giving even before, it is 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 5. If it is 1, 3, 5, if you want to give odd, you can give like that. So console.log numbers. So numbers. Okay, I have given a spelling mistake. If you see 2, 4, 6, everything will be coming as a singular. So this is not impacting your original. So we'll see an example with object. So you will say 1, ID 1, obj 2, name 3. Okay. So const obj3 equal to obj1 comma obj2. I'll just print this. So you can see the object 3 is having ID and object 2 is still object 2 because I haven't given 3 dots here. So now let's see 3 objects, 3 dots. So if you see here, ID and name. But you can achieve this with object.assign as well. But object.assign will change the target. That means whatever you are giving here, that will be changing. So that is why object.assign will be not usable here whenever you want to have each and every value as a separate element. So in that case, you have to use 3 dots only. So object.assign, if you want to change the target element, you can use it object.assign. I'll just console it here for obj1 and obj2. You can still see their original definitions. Okay, I'm just clearing it. Then if you see, object.1 was not changed, 2 was not changed, only the third one was changed. So this is how a spread will working actually. So I hope you guys understanding that rest and spread, how it can be used. Please comment if you have any clarifications or doubts in the comments box. I can try to answer when I have seen this. So thank you so much for supporting and please subscribe. Thank you.